Check your purpose and what are your passions, what makes you excited.
And I am so excited to have you guys here.
Together, online.
Check your purpose and what are your passions, what makes you excited.
Together, online. We are your first fully digital network. Available in your favorite platforms, our shows can reach you wherever you are, whenever you want. Plus Network meets you where you are. Our desire is to share with you stories that are both educating and entertaining. We are committed to uplifting you in every facet of your life. Why? Dahil we believe in you. Our stories will move and inspire you to do more and be more. From financial lessons to inspirational life testimonies, we will make sure your 2021 will be a year you regain control of your life. Join us as we share with you stories that will hack healthy lifestyles, quick and easy recipes, money matters, parenting secrets, and many, many more. Kami dito sa Plus Network, we are behind you. So sa 2021, hindi na mahirap ang mangarap. Follow, subscribe, and like us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. And together, we can all be more and be plus. We are where you are.
Talk about yung mga business stories of successful business owners and business leaders. Now, guys, I'm very excited for tonight because not only will we be talking about business, but tonight we are actually celebrating the first anniversary of Plus Network. So thank you so much, guys, for joining us tonight and welcome to the show. Thank you so much, Clever Salingian. Thank you so much. Welcome to the show, Ina Mendez, my good friend. Thank you for joining us. And our very good friend, Janina Vela. Thank you for joining us here. Si Gets is also here. Camacho Yolanda, hi. Thanks for joining us here for another episode again of In the Biz. So again, guys, like I mentioned, we are always here every Tuesday nights, 8 p.m. to really talk about yung mga bizkarte stories or really what it means to be a successful business leader, to successfully build your business, right? And tonight, this episode is extra special because we will be looking into the story also of one very successful business in itself, none other than yung Plus Network. So just wait right for that. Thank you so much for joining us also, Christina Anetzer. Ina Mendez says, I'm so proud of you. Hey, thanks so much for that, Ina. Thanks for joining us. All right, so guys, it's been actually been a year, no? For, as I mentioned, Plus Network. It's actually the first year anniversary of Plus Network, and we'll be hearing more about that. When if you think about it, Plus Network actually started in 2020, right smack in the middle of the pandemic. So we'll be hearing a very inspiring story of how the whole Plus Network came to being and why it stands up to this day and what is up next for Plus Network. And that is really a true story of a Bizcante story from a very successful business leader in her own industry. All right. So again, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for joining us this dating. And yes, she says, happy anniversary, Plus Network. Woo, woo.
People who need to also be heard and allow for them to also inspire with their stories. Some of the Plus Network programs that we've had really is aimed at helping people have a better mindset, really having a better way of living. And we always call it living the plus life. For us, it's so important to be able to share how we can actually improve the way we live. I love that you pointed out that yes, we started out a year ago and it was in the middle of the pandemic. This is where businesses were folding and a lot of companies were actually, of course, being challenged because they weren't able to operate. But it was at that darkest moment that Plus Network came to be, and we feel that it was because of that darkness that we shone the brightest. When we started, we actually started with messages that allowed people to just be encouraged and even give them practical tips and advice on how to navigate through the COVID pandemic. At that time, not a lot of people really understood how to, for example, how to sanitize their groceries, how to keep their homes safe, and even keep themselves healthy by making sure that they protect their immune system. So we started really helping our community by being able to share with them tips that really was there to not just help them survive, but also thrive. Because from there, then we started talking to parents about how they can homeschool, how can they feel empowered at home, how they can pivot financially on a personal finance level, and all the other things, how they can exercise at home and keep their whole families healthy. You know, all these things talaga were really aimed at making sure na we were giving people that opportunity para mas maging maganda pa yung buhay nila maski nandun tayo sa gitna ng pandemya. So we're really blessed to have been a light when, like I said, everything was so dark.
Yeah, that is so true. I mean, right smack in the middle of the pandemic, Plus Network rose into being and then really inspired a lot of lives of a lot of people who were who found themselves suddenly trapped in the middle of everything, trapped at home, and you've got all of that mental health issues starting to creep
Yes.
in, right? But Plus Network was there to really be with our people, with the Filipino people, and to hear more about why there's more meaning to life despite what everything that's going on, right? And now after now, it's been a whole year. I mean, wow, how time flies so fast, right? Where is Plus Network now after a year?
Well, we've established that we're the first fully digital network in the country. And what that means is that we don't just create compelling content for our viewers. That also means that we're able to adjust and adapt and engage people and be able to create content based on what people want, based on what people are looking for. And that's really how we were nung umpisa pa lang. Tinitingnan na natin kung ano ba yung mga pangangailangan ng mga tao, anong hinahanap nila, ano yung mga pwedeng mag-uplift sa kanila. That's why we're digital, because we also use social media platforms and other platforms to be able to study and respond to what people need. So yes, it's been an amazing year. It's only been a year, but honestly, with all the hard work that the team has put into it, para siyang 10 years. Kasi hirap talaga. Imagine, we had to create shows, we had to create great content. We actually put together a network, a channel, and put all these really important facets in Plus Network during the pandemic. So, hindi kami natakot because, of course, hindi. Natakot din naman kami. Pero lumakas yung loob namin dahil alam namin na what we were offering was something that people really needed at that time. I also needed to hear the messages coming from our hosts, from the shows, and all that, because it really is a struggle. So that's where we are. We feel that we've really empowered so many people's lives. We really established great shows. We're on our second season already. We're in the middle of that. We're now on Kumu and other platforms. You see us all over the place. Katulad ng sinasabi natin sa Plus Network, we are where you are. So we actually want to bring the content where people are. Even here sa Kumu. That's why we decided to partner with this wonderful platform.
Yeah, and it's been amazing. I mean, we're just on the fourth episode for In the Biz, but it's been a real blast already. And it's amazing we're on the second year, right? Now, now that we're seeing, what's next for Plus Network?
Ang dami. Ang dami pa talagang plano ni Lord para sa atin. There's a lot of challenges to be faced. Yeah, there's a lot of challenges to be faced, a lot more stories to be told. You know, we pride ourselves in being great storytellers. We pride ourselves in being experts in creating not just content that will really touch the lives of people, but will also really impress and leave a mark. Visually, it's also something that's really good. You can see it with the content. And, you know, there's so much. There are great opportunities. Every door that we open opens up even more doors. So yes, we continue to create more shows on Plus Network. We'll have more personalities. We'll continue to also bring other shows that will truly help the people here on Kumu, because we're not just here to entertain, right? Katulad ng show mo, we are here to educate. So we strive to continue to deliver edutaining shows. So ang dami pa mga challenges na kailangan nating harapin sa Plus Network. Pero with every challenge, right, through the crisis, dun tayo mag-thrive. So we're able to see opportunities there in these difficult times. And I know that Plus Network, because of our plans, because of why we really came about, hindi tayo papabayaan ng Diyos. Andyan talaga siya for us. And I think what amazes me about Plus Network is we continue to have really great people who also share our vision for Plus. Yourself, I know you mentioned Janina, who's watching. Thanks so much, Janina. We have MJ. We have, you know, so many great people. Our Seaworthy family. We have Chuck, Gael. You know, all of our different hosts here on Plus Network. We're so blessed to have everyone, and we continue to put in more people who will also bring forth those messages that will really empower people and really give the plus in their lives.
That is so true. And I really love what you said, that there's so much in store for Plus Network, and God will definitely not abandon us. Like what he said nga, diba, in Hebrews 13 verse 5, never will I leave you nor forsake you, right? So definitely there's so much more. And Miss Pat, while we're anticipating what's next for Plus Network, what's your message for our audience?
Thank you. We just really wanted to say how grateful we are for the audience, for the people who have engaged Plus Network, who have been there to watch our content. Really, we do it for you. We do it because we know that us Filipinos, we're going through so much, but at the same time, we have so much potential. You mentioned about mental health. Yes, that's a serious issue that we also want to address. But at the same time, we want parents to be able to be guided on how to truly have a better household, to manage their children better. We want marriages to be uplifted and for relationships to become better. We want people to be better with their finances and to be better stewards of every resource that's given to them. There's just so much. Ang dami talaga na gagawin pa ng Plus Network para sa inyo. And that's because you guys give us the inspiration. So yes, the message is thank you. Thank you for the inspiration and thank you for the support. And I think being in the online sphere has truly allowed us to not just give you content, but to also be able to listen to you and to be able to hear your pains, your joys, and also your own stories. And those are the things that we will continue to tell. Thanks so much, everyone. Happy anniversary, Kaplas!
Happy anniversary, Plus Network. Thank you so much for that, Miss Pat. And definitely, I mean, it's really amazing with the story of Plus Network for its first year and being online. And that is so true. At Plus Network, we are where you are because it's all about to be more and be plus. Thank you so much for that, Miss Pat. And with that, Miss Pat did mention, right, that the power of going online. And that's what we are here for tonight because we will be talking about Bizcarte stories, Bizcarting online selling. Let's see about that tonight. Episode. This is the fourth episode of In the Biz, where we talk about the Bizcarte stories of our successful business owners and business leaders. Thank you so much for joining us again. Thank you for joining us, R.A. Cordova, Julian Jensen, Jean Samson, Life of Chi. Welcome. And also thank you for the Carlito Hug, Janina Vela. Thanks for joining us tonight here on In the Biz. So, guys, like I mentioned, we're here tonight to really talk about stemming from what Miss Pat Hizon just mentioned. It's really there's that power of going online for your business, right? And that's why tonight we're talking about the power or Bizcarte of online selling, and we'll be starting that off first with our first two guests for our first brand or first company joining us tonight. We have a brand that is actually personally very close to my heart. I don't know kung napansin nyo guys, kanina pa ako sip-sip nito. This is actually my favorite coffee, my God. This coffee is something that I drink every day. I tell my friends, like, sugatan nyo ako on a weekday, dudugo ako ng kape at yung kapeng yun, ay ito yun. This is their product and this is their brand. They're called Hebrews Highland Coffee. And so please join me in welcoming Mr. and Mrs. Chi and Nats Manuel for joining us here at In the Biz.
Hello.
Welcome, Mr. Nats Manuel.
Hi. Good evening. Happy anniversary.
Yeah, thank you, and happy anniversary definitely to Plus Network. I mean, it's been a
Yep.
year for Plus Network, and kamusta naman kayo? I mean, since the start of 2020 last year when we had the lockdown, right? How has it been with you guys?
Oh,
Wow. Well,
it's really very challenging, but God is so good to us.
Mm.
He knows how to protect, how he knows how to provide to his children.
yep.
Mhm. Yes, that is so true. Yeah. And then, I mean, the provision of the Lord, His faithfulness, the favor. I mean, we really saw that even in the midst of the pandemic or the quarantine. I mean, what I really loved about one of the things that my family and I realized, in the middle of all these CQs, right? ECQ, GCQ, MECQ, right? The very interesting thing about that is, it's in these times where we seek you, we seek the Lord all the time, right?
Mhm.
And this is the time that we got to do it. And what I really love about your brand, guys, I mean, guys, if you try it out, no, they have these coffee drips, and ganito yung packaging nila, and they actually have Bible verses written right at the back. So every time I drink my coffee in the morning, it's like I also get my morning devotion, right? So, Chi and Nats, I'd really love to understand, no? We're very curious, no? Bakit Hebrews Coffee ang pangalan ng business?
Oh, bakit Hipus
Bakit?
Coffee? Well, simply because when we started this business, ang una namin inisip ni Nats is that kailangan bigay ni God to. So, once we have the business, kailangan ang employer natin dito si God.
correct.
So,
We have to steward it properly. We have to dedicate everything to Him. So, we wanted to share the word. So, correct ka dun, sir. At the back of the label, we always share the word of God. And secondary na yung ma-delight namin yung customer dun sa coffee na kami ang nag-blend.
yes.
Apo.
And
And
speaking of
you
that, Nats,
asked
no? Like,
you asked us bakit Hebrews? Bakit
Mm-mm.
marami namang pangalan na po pwede naming ilagay eh. As mentioned nga, di ba, rap, dedicated namin tong business na to kay God. So sabi namin, when we come up with the business name, dapat this is something biblical kasi ino-offer nga natin kay God. At the same time, si Nats kasi, he's really very passionate about coffee. Ilang taong ka, nagkakape ka
talagang
na?
Hebrews.
yeah. Mhm.
Yeah.
So, literally Hebrews.
Hebrews.
Yep.
So it's also a play of words, and at the same time, we did not forget kung kanino namin dapat i-dedicate tong business na to.
Correct. Apo.
That's amazing. Now, that's since Hebrews, you brew, right? So,
Yes.
bakit kape in the first place? What really inspired that passion for coffee? And why not? We've seen a lot of businesses popping here and there before the pandemic. Karamihan pa nga, it's milk tea. But why did you choose coffee?
Wow. Marami ako isasagot dyan, but I don't know how to start it, no? Siguro, my story, initially, nung maliit ako, it is my passion, really, na nagtitimpla ako ng coffee when I was about 3 or 4 years old. No. Grade 3. I'm sorry. I'm in a grade school already.
Pagka 3
Three
years
Sobrang
old,
years
amazing.
old.
3 or 4 years old. Wow.
I'm sorry.
gatas niya
Yeah.
yun.
So, 3 and grade 3 and grade 4. So I blend my coffee. I put a lot of ice on it. Tinitweak ko yung flavor. So dun ko na realize na mahilig ako sa coffee until such time na I was able to work in a coffee company before. So I na-enhance ko lahat ng passion na yon at saka yung gusto ko about coffee. So naiano ko na-share ko ngayon. So that's how it all started.
Yeah, and I really love about how you guys do it. Why don't you tell us more about that, Chi? What's very unique about the Hebrews coffee? I mean, I know the answer to this because I drink your coffee every day. But tell our in the biz community more about your coffee. Like, what's so special about that?
Yeah. Honestly, when we started this, ang una naming tanong is that coffee pa talaga ang gusto natin kasi during that time, booming ang milk tea. Kaya lang sabi namin, okay, kung coffee ang gusto natin, una, talaga bang passion natin ang kape? Kasi pag hindi ito nabenta, tayo iinom nito.
Yeah.
Sobrang nervous sa aabutin natin dito. But we realized also that a lot of people, or most of the people talaga, they cannot start the day. I don't know with you, Rafa, pero ako, I cannot start my day without drinking coffee.
Yeah, I can't. I mean, that's how I
Diba?
jumpstart my day.
Yeah. So, ganun din siguro, after you eat your lunch or dinner, mga parang pati ng panghimagas mo, magkakape ka. So, sabi namin, okay, this is, kumbaga parang, bukod sa highly traded commodity, at the same
The
time,
second largest
maganda
commodity.
na hindi, kumbaga parang healthy na rin at the same time since it's brewed coffee. Okay.
Yes.
So, sabi mo kanina, paano kami ma-differentiate sa ibang nagtitinda ng kape? So, syempre, dyan ngayon papasok yung tinatawag nating competitive advantage.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah, tell us more about that.
Yeah, it all started nung nagkaroon ng pandemic. Alam natin that during the pandemic, a lot of the big coffee players, hindi sila pwede mag-operate. So, as a coffee drinker, sabi rin naman namin na, okay, kung a lot of people are doing home, kumbaga parang, anong tawag doon? They work at home, Tapos, paano yun kung wala silang kape sa bahay? Kailangan natin mag-provide ng coffee sa kanila. And how are we going to do that? That's the power of social media, online selling. So, pinasok namin. But not only that, kasi ang dami nagtitinda ng kape. Ano ngayon ang po pwede natin maging competitive advantage? So, eto kasi si Nats, mahilig siyang mag-blend ng kape. And at the same time, alam niya na pag ito yung, alam niya yung mga flavor notes kasi ng coffee. So, alam niya na pagka ganito dapat, for example, it's hazelnut. If it is hazelnut, dapat ganito yung lasa ng coffee mo. So, that is all started na nag-blend muna kami ng coffee. Tapos, nilagyan namin, in-infuse namin ng mga, the usual flavors, hazelnut, butterscotch, caramel, mocha, vanilla. Tapos, sabi namin, paano kung ayaw ng flavor? So, let's have signature blend. And then, paano yung gusto ng matatapang kape? Let's have premium barako. And then we called it the classic selection.
Yes.
We have 31
32.
32. Yeah, we have 32.
Now we have
different
32
blends.
flavored coffee. Paano nangyari yung 32 flavored coffee na yan? Di ba kasi alam natin, ang mga beers nga, they flavored their beers. Hindi ng mga Korean liquor drinks katulad ng soju. Can I mention that? But they have also other flavors like
Fruit selection.
yung mga fruits nila, they have the
aromatic.
grapes, blueberries. So sabi namin, why not with coffee? So,
I mean, that's
yeah.
amazing. The different
Diba?
flavors. I mean,
Yeah.
it gives a completely unique and different experience. And then that's why I love the coffee because every day I'm getting a different experience with the
Yes.
different flavors that come into the selections. Kayo guys, to our viewers tonight, our in the biz community, I've been seeing some comments here. You know, sabi dito ni pedestrian, I can't start my day without coffee too. Yes, that is so true. I mean, without my coffee, I'm just a zombie in the morning. Grabe. I mean, that's how I jumpstart my day. Otherwise, kung wala akong coffee, I mean, Chi, you know this. I would order and like, obviously, coffee. I need this. I badly need this. Sobrang kailangan ko na eh. If I could subscribe to you guys, just send me a box every month na lang, then why not? That makes my life so much easier, right? But guys, do you agree? I mean, send a Carlito Pray if you also love coffee. I mean, it's a great way to start the day, and you add the Bible verse power there, and that's just the perfect way to start each and every day because you're warming. You not only are you warming your stomach at the start of the day, you're also warming your soul with the Word of God, right? Because that's just the perfect way to start the day, and you're already inspired and you're ready to just get out there and face all the challenges. Or even if you're working from home, you just get in there in your office at home and then just really hustle, right? And you with all that energy that's given by the coffee, diba? Then you're really more ready to just get and face all those challenges. So to our audience, come on guys, just feel free to send in a Carlito Pray, or if you guys have questions also for our power couple here, kay Nats and Chi, do send in your questions or your whatever thoughts you might have. Would you agree that yes, coffee is essential? I mean, it's very essential to start each day, di ba? Na napaka-importante para naman hindi tayo zombie pagbangon natin from bed, di ba? Or pagpunta natin, now that people are slowly going back to the offices, right? Na parang, you don't want to look like a zombie once you get in there, right? And that's where the coffee really comes in. May question dito si Gets Lahara Lineses. How much po ang coffee and how to order?
Oh, napakamura lang na aming kape, sir. We have something like this. This is a pack of 12 drips. That's another competitive advantage that we were able to came up that. 2 years ago when we started this, sabi namin, kung mag-brewed coffee ka, kailangan convenient. Ang hirap maghugas ng mga equipment pang kape, di ba? So ito, drip. Alam naman natin, inventor, yung drip, alam natin, nagsimula yan sa sa ibang country.
Yeah.
Pero sabi ko, kung nagsimula sa kanila sa ibang country, dapat meron din kami dito sa Pilipinas. So, ilan lang actually ang ang nag-o-offer ng ganitong drip. Pero ngayon, sobrang dami na. Pero, dito sa Hebrew Silent Coffee, we only sell this one for only 190 pesos. And it consists of 12 drips. So just imagine, that's roughly around 15 pesos per drip. Pero it's a brewed coffee.
I mean that's amazing, and I love what you mentioned. Then it's all about the convenience. I mean, I remember last year before I knew about you guys, I would have to really grind my beans in a little grinder that I bought. And like sobrang slow na start ng day ko, natatagalan ako. I would probably spend a good 30 minutes just to prepare my coffee in the morning. But with this, I just have to pour the coffee, the hot water into the drip, and then I just wait for a few minutes, go 5 minutes, and coffee is ready. Freshly brewed coffee. That's amazing.
Yes,
Pero yeah, so
exactly.
you mentioned then that you notice that everyone's working from home kasi, and then that's where the opportunity came to
Mhm.
to actually reach them, right? And that's where you
Yes.
leverage on social media. So what was the pivotal role ng social media in really widening your base, your customer base sa Hebrews Coffee?
Well, initially yung nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, everybody's into their computers na. They cannot go out. So, ang trade, ang commerce ngayon, pumunta na sa bahay eh. Wala na sa mall, wala na siya sa mga places na dati natin pinupuntahan. So, basically, lahat sila nag-order online, and napakaganda ng opportunity dito because bukod dun sa pandemic, it is safer not to go out and get your essential products online. So, yun yung ginawa namin. We capitalize on it, and then yung business name namin is online also. Initially, it says online trading. So, yeah, doon namin na-capture yung market. And nagulat kami because the response sa media dito sa
Social media.
platform is napaka dynamic, ang bilis, ang daming nag-order kaagad sa amin.
Yes.
So yeah, and then the convenience of the mga courier services,
Yes.
very convenient na kinukuha nila dito safely, na i-deliver kaagad. So maganda.
Basically, that's another, kumbaga parang we are also sharing the blessing na binibigay ni God sa amin eh. So, nakakapag-provide din kami ng extra income dun sa mga dating mga nawalan ng trabaho. Tapos sabi namin,
nag-motorized
sige, ikaw
delivery
ang
na.
mag-deliver nito. So, at some point, nakatulong din kami. Tapos, iba, ang sarap ng ganung pakiramdam.
Yes,
Meron
and
ka mga natutulungan.
that's correct. And then also, meron kaming mga regulars na, "Sir, marami pala kayong dinideliver dito every morning eh. Baka pwede kami natawagan ninyo." So we don't call other, sila na yung pumupunta. So within the vicinity naman. So parang natutulungan na rin namin sila.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
Yes,
because also of social media, alam mo, ang ganda talaga ng pangyayari kasi we do not need to advertise. Ang very very important din kasi na hindi lang dapat meron kang panggulat na product eh. Dapat yung product mo has its quality. Dapat masarap talaga. And sir, you know that.
Yes, I know that. I mean, it speaks for itself.
So once na may nakatikim ng kape from Hebrews Island, they ask, saan galing to? And then doon na, ang dami na nag-i-inquire, paano makabili. Up to the point na may mga nagtatanong din, how can I resell? So, apart from spreading the blessing sa mga courier, sa mga delivery guys, meron din kami mga natulungan ng mga tao na nagkaroon din ng extra income kasi they also resell our products.
Wait, you open yourselves up to resellers. Teka, pag-usapan natin yan after the show. But that is so true. I mean, you guys, you know how I discovered Hebrews actually was no Christmas. I saw this box of 12 flavors of Christmas. Nakita ko it's coffee drips, and then nakita ko it's Hebrews, and then nakita ko agad dun yung Instagram handle na, and I just really I contacted them agad para makapag-order ako, and I haven't stopped ordering since. And I'm sure we have a lot of friends here who would agree. Sabi nga dito ni Life of Chi, I need that. My coffee maker is gone, so this is really perfect. Oh yes, I mean sobrang perfect kasi napakadali lang, 'di ba? Bubuhusan mo lang ng ng tubig, 'di ba? Tapos sabi nga ni Gets, wow, ang mura. That's actually very for brewed coffee. I mean, the price that you're charging for that pack is actually pretty much just 1 cup sa ibang mga cafe, but You get to do
Sure.
that at home already. That's
Yeah.
amazing, right? So evidently we have a lot of coffee lovers here. Let's test it, guys, kung how much you know about coffee because tradition na to dito sa In The Biz, alam nyo yan. We'll be having games at merong pamimigay ang Hebrews Highland Coffees para sa atin. And for our game tonight, you'll be having, our game is called Pakapi Ka Naman. So we'll flash trivia questions about coffee and you will guess kung alin yung tamang sagot. Alright, so let's see for the first one. What's our first trivia question for tonight? Pakape ka naman. All right. So a coffee is a bean or a seed. All right. So Chi, Nats, ano ba yung pamimigay natin for this question?
You'll be giving out
A pack of
hazelnut.
12 drips.
A
Hazelnut.
pack of 12
yes.
drips. Oh my God. So guys,
hazelnut.
parang 12 days of Christmas na rin. Napaagal lang yung Christmas natin with this coffee, right?
Correct.
So again, for a pack of 12 drips of what flavor is that? Is that hazelnut?
Yes, it is.
Oh my God, hazelnut's one of my favorites. All right, so guys, for a pack of 12 hazelnut drips, the question is, coffee is A, bean, B, seed. All right, let's see the answers. Pedestrian says B. Get says bean. Life of Chi says A. Haruaki says bean. All right, and then Life of Chi says woot woot. Scarlett says A. All right, so let's ask our experts here. What is the answer? Is it a bean or is it a seed?
Coffee is a bean.
It's a bean.
Coffee is a bean. All right. So to our winner, siya yung una nagsabi nun, si Gets. All right. So just wait for our team from In The Biz to reach out to you so that you can get your 12 drips of hazelnut coffee. All right. So let's look at our next one. All right. So pakape ka naman. Now, the coffee genus is native to what tropical place? Is it East Africa or West Africa? Talaga, yun pala yung options ng tropical place. Akala ko native dito sa Pilipinas eh. Hindi pala. Tropical naman din tayo. So guys, what do you think? Is it East or West Africa? And for this, what's gonna be the prize again? Is it gonna be hazelnut ulit tayo?
No, we'll give out another flavor. It's
Another flavor, pero it's still a pack of 12 drips. We'll have butterscotch this time.
Oh, butterscotch. Oh, so kung may sweet tooth naman kayo, ang bango-bango nito, guys, yung butterscotch coffee from Highlands Coffee. All right, let's see the answers right here. Si Life of Chi says East Africa. Haruaki 19 says B. Scarlett says East Africa. All right, mostly East Africa, except for Haruaki says it's West Africa. Any more answers, guys, for this pack of 12 butterscotch coffee? All right. Meron ba tayo, let's see. Oh, what's the answer for this one? Is it from East or West? It's from East Africa. All right. So congratulations. Sino na una? It was Life of Chi. All right. Congratulations for that pack of 12 butterscotch coffee drips. All right. Yes, all right. So let's see our third one. All right. All right. So, pakape ka naman. Now, the most expensive coffee comes from A, the civet poop, or B, elephant dung. Ang laking kape nun kung elephant dung.
Laki.
Ang
So
laki
ito,
nun.
papabigay natin this time.
Ano na yun? Annual supply of coffee na yun. So what's the price for this one? Oh,
It's going to be a box.
collection.
Yeah, it's
Oh
a
my gosh,
selection
it's the
box.
berry selection.
Yeah, berry selection.
All right, it's the berry selection. Okay, sige. So what's the dito, what are the flavors in there? What berries are included?
Oh, we have the blueberry, mixed berry, strawberry. We have the strawberry, right? And then
Raspberry, mixed berries, cherry.
All right, sige. So let's look at the answers, no? So Life of Chi is very happy. Sabi niya, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Life of Chi. All right, Pedestrian says A. Life of Chi says A. So it's civet poop. Wala bang papanik sa elephant dung? Walang sasagot ng B. Any more answers, guys, for that berry selection with different berries? There's blueberry, there's strawberry, Gets says, sige, B na ako. Alright. Wala na yung sagot. Okay, guys. Let's see what the answer for this. Pakapi ka naman. And the answer is B, elephant dung. Ang laki nun. Elephant dung, or actually black ivory coffee costs more than $500 per pound or $50 per cup. Oh my gosh, that's 2,500 pesos a cup. Grabe. So, sino yung nakakuha nito? Ay, sabi niya, hindi pa siya sige na nga, B ako. Pero panalo ka, tama ka ulit. Gets Nakara Lineses. Congratulations. Baka hindi ka na makatulog niyan. Alright. So, okay. So, okay. May nag-note dito si Nats and Chi. We'll be giving 2 prizes daw dun sa first question. So, we'll abangan nyo na lang for the second one who got it right with the first question. Kasi the In the Biz team will reach out to you on Kumu to get your details para mapadalan kayo ng coffee ninyo. All right, now let's look at our fourth question right here. Okay, so coffee has fueled some of London's buses. True or false? All right. Naka-fuel down ng bus ng London. Siguro hindi natutulog yung mga bus doon for sure. Laging tumatakbo in London. All right, let's see. So what's our price for this one pala, Nats and Chi?
It's the same thing, but this time the classic selection.
Oh, the
It's a
classic
box.
selection. Yes. Oh my
Classic.
gosh, ang sarap niyan. I mean, the signature blend is amazing. Plus the hazelnut, diba? And ano pa ba yung mga masarap dyan? Meron pa kayo dyan yung butterscotch
Vanilla.
and mocha and vanilla. Yeah, I mean, I started my day the other day like vanilla. I keep coming back
Yeah,
to vanilla.
I saw that.
So let's see, what's the answer for this one? Ano yung mga sagot ng mga ating In the Biz community dito? All right. Haruaki says A. So A. Jing 26 Tongkua says false. Get says A, true. Jing Tongkua says B. Life of Chi says true. All right, so let's see what is the answer. Reveal na natin. What is the answer for this? It's true. A UK company called BioBean partnered with Shell on a project to turn coffee grounds into biodiesel. The fuel worked without any modifications to the buses. Oh my gosh! So if that coffee can fuel a bus, what more to us, diba?
Yes.
So that was really amazing. Thank you so much again, Nats and Chi. We'll be hearing more from you guys again later. And we'll be moving on to another power duo that will be joining us for
you.
this evening. Thank you so much, Nats and Chi. That's
Thank you.
Bruce
Our
Highland
pleasure.
Coffee. Check them out, guys. Ang
Thank
sarap-sarap ng kape nila talaga. All right, so
Thank you. Bye.
yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nats and Chi. I mean, your business is a real blessing. Thank you so much. Hebrews Highland Coffee. Thank you. All right, so we'll be hearing again from Nats and Chi later from Hebrews Highland Coffee. Now let's move on to our next power duo. So this is another very successful online selling. Nakaganda ng bizkarte nila. Oh wow, thank you, Patricia Hizon. Thank you so much for that lechon. Wow, nakakabusog yan. All right, so guys, to our In the Biz community, send din naman gifts. Total, ano naman baka naman makapag-send kayo dyan. It's the anniversary of Plus Network. Let's celebrate that tonight, right? And as we hear more of these bizkarte stories, from our successful business owners and business leaders. Ngayon, our theme for tonight again is about bizkarting online selling, right? So, baka naman kayo may masend pa kayo. May nagpalechon dyan. To our friends out there, I saw kanina si Janina Vela was here. Baka naman pwedeng mag-send din ng dyan. Magaling ka mambudol pag Friday Baka naman din dito. Well, who else is here? Thank you so much for joining us, Haruaki. JSM and Christille, thank you for joining us. Hebrews Highland. Oh, see, Hebrews Highland is also watching us here. Shane and also Mark Salamat, Verly Torres, thank you so much for joining us. All right, so tonight, again, like I mentioned, guys, we will be talking more about yung bizkarting online selling. Now, as we know, halos lahat naman na tayo siguro meron ng social media. I mean, almost everyone, if not actually everyone, is already on social media, be it Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Diba? All those other platforms, Twitter, diba? Everyone's there, and the power for brands really for the success of any business is to be where the customers are, and that's the power of really going online selling, because that's where everyone is really right now, right? So tonight we'll be hearing from another guest, another power duo to join us and share their story ng kanilang biskate in online selling. So please welcome to the show our power duo. Magkapatid naman ito, si Zeniva and Genvir Redoblado of XG. Hey guys! Ezo, Zeniva, are you guys there? There
Hi, Sir
they are. Hey, Ezo.
Po.
Hi,
Magandang gabi po,
Zeniva.
magandang gabi.
Thank you for joining us. Magandang gabi. No,
Hello?
I see, ang napaka-cool ng mga caps natin dyan. Right? And this is essentially
By
what
the
this is all about now. No? Ang
Sir,
topic naman natin.
Rap, batiin lang po ng anniversary.
Oh, yes, thank you. Yes, happy anniversary to Plus Network. All right. So, thank you so much for joining us tonight, Ezo and Zeniva. I mean, ang ganda nung display ninyo just sa likod ninyo. And our topic with you guys really now is, kamay na lang po, online selling takes over the market. All right. So, let's get right into it, guys. Diba? Yung online culture ngayon with online selling, right? So how did that start? No? Paano kayo nagsimula ng online selling business niyo? And I understand yung binibenta niyo, diba, is really the caps. Diba? Ito, ang ganda ng mga caps sa iba-ibang design. Paano niyo sinimulan yan?
Yep.
Hello guys,
Actually,
are you there?
Ayan. So, we started kasi, sige, ikaw kuya kwento.
Bali, po.
Hello.
Hello po. Bali, nag-start po kami magtinda po ng cups. Kasi ano po ito ay bibili-bili. Tapos sabi ko pandemic, and then
Nawalan ka ng trabaho.
Nawalan ako ng trabaho.
Wala din ako trabaho.
Wala siyang trabaho. Kailangan namin kumita. And ayun, naisip namin bakit hindi ko na lang ibenta to. Since hilig ko naman, kasi sabi ko, gusto ko yung work ko na masaya ako. Kumbaga parang para hindi ako mabilis panghinaan, parang masaya ako lagi. Gusto ko yung hilig ko, yun yung gagawin ko. Kumbaga parang masaya ako, nakita ko ng mga cups. Ayan, ginawa kong business.
At saka, Sir Raf, no? Kasi diba, parang ang galing lang ng Lord kasi out of the blue, parang walang trabaho, pero binigyan kami ng wisdom ng Lord kung paano kami mag-uumpisa ulit. Yes. Diba? So, ang daming nawalan ng trabaho, binigyan kami ng Lord ng isang business na actually, nag-start kami sa 10 cups, tama kuya?
10 piraso.
Tama. So, nagre-resell lang kami noon. And then, pinalago ng Lord talaga yung business namin. Hanggang nagkaroon na kami ng selling shop. So, bago pang itong shop namin, actually, March, 3 months. 3 months pa lang yung aming shop.
That's amazing. I mean, ang ganda ng story na yun, na parang you mentioned, nawalan ng trabaho and you started with just 10 caps. Wow! Tapos, nalago ni Lord talaga yun. When the Lord puts His hand upon what we do, talagang it flourishes, no? Talagang it multiplies. The Lord really multiplies the products of our hands, diba? I mean, that is a great testimony, guys. And, so, when we think of, when you started this, no, you started with 10 caps. Kaninong idea yon na sino nakaisip na papatok yung caps and talagang yung ibebenta pa siya online?
Bali, ano po lahat yun? Bali, naging idea ko po yun. Sinuportahan na rin po ng mga kapatid ko. Idea ko po yung ng cups kasi parang sabi ko nga, hilig ko, maraming kalalakihan, parang dami, hilig cups mga kaibigan ko, parang mga cups. Sabi ko, why not na parang subukan kasi pagkain, parang maiba naman tayo, mag-challenge kami. And tingin ko, nag-work naman kasi maraming sumuporta sa amin. Mga kamag-ads, marami na mga sa online lalo.
Yes. Actually, nag-start kami sa bahay. So, doon lang muna kami nag-start. Ay, bago pala nagbahay, ano lang yun, no? Sa sasakyan. Doon kami nagdi-display. Car na namin. And then, doon namin dinidis yung mga cups namin. Tapos, nung parang sabi ko sa kanya, why not try natin live selling? So, pinasok namin sa bahay yung mga cups. Nag-start kami ng live selling. First lang yun. Minsan 1, 2. Tapos, parang, minsan na pang nanghihinaan, pero sabi nga namin, sige tuloy lang kasi ito yung passion natin. So, until na binigyan kami ng wisdom ng Lord kung papaano dadamihin yung viewers, kung papaano para mas lalong maging yung maka-invite kami ng mga manonood talaga.
Ang galing.
Ayun. So, ginawa natin, nagsumali kami sa mga groups. Tapos, nagpapamigay kami ng mga kumbaga parang before kami magpa-mine, ayan, before kami may pa-free kami, naps, ganon.
Pa-free kami
Pa-free bago magpa-mine.
Na makakainganyo sa mga viewers.
So, paano nyo naisip yun pala na to do it na live selling other than yung iba kasi talagang nagbebenta lang sa mga marketplace, 'di ba? Pino-post lang sa Facebook, pino-post sa Instagram siguro or nagbebenta sa mga kung meron yung mga kung saan merong mga naririnig natin mga double digit sale, 'di ba? Mga binibenta lahat ng mga products nila doon lang. Pero bakit niyo naisip na mag-live selling?
Sige, Kuya, go.
Bali,
Una,
naisip ko mag-live selling isang beses kasi nakasali ako sa seminar. Umatend ako sa seminar ni Chick. Basta umatend ako sa seminar. And then, yun po, sabi niya, isa din daw po. And sabi ko, bakit hindi ko subukan? Una, nahihiya ako eh. Ang hirap talaga sa camera pag first time. So, sinubukan namin. Nag-start kami siguro mga 1-2 viewers. Masaya na pero talagang tinuloy-tuloy namin. Hanggang yung Lord, sabi, parang kinausap ako ng Lord eh. Try mo magbigay. Kasi yun naman yung kumbaga parang anong Lord sa amin giver ang Lord eh. Giver ako, parang
yes.
Try mo rin magbigay. So yun yung parang sinabi sa akin ng Lord. Hindi ginawa ko po. Nakakatuwa na from 2 to 3 person, umasok siya ng 10, nag-20, nag-50s, nag-100s, pinakamataas 700.
Wow, from 2 to
talaga
700.
Overwhelmed talaga.
Nakaka-overwhelmed po.
That is overwhelming talaga.
Talagang hundreds of viewers.
I mean, that's amazing.
Yes,
kasi totoo yun. I mean, the Lord rewards your consistency.
Yes.
Opo.
And dito sa sa business na to actually, tinuruan talaga kami ng Lord na maging grateful. Kasi kumbaga, from maliit na bagay, 'di ba? Masaya kami pag may bumibili kahit isang peraso. Tapos talagang sinishare namin to sa Facebook namin. Ayan, talagang yung nagpapasalamat kami sa Lord. And ito yung tinuro sa amin ng binato, to be grateful. Kasi maliit o malaki yung binibigay ng Lord na benta, nagpapasalamat kami dito. Kasi di ba, nga natin, ang daming nawalan ng trabaho. So, sino ba naman kami para hindi maging grateful sa binibigay ng Lord sa amin? So, yun.
That is true. And totoo yun talaga kasi the Lord blesses us so that we can also be a blessing to others. Napakaganda talaga ng story ninyo. I mean, I love how you guys do that. Yung story ninyo na nagsimula na dahil pa nawalan pa ng trabaho pero talagang nagsumikap and then kahit with just a few viewers, pinalaki kasi si Lord ang nagpalaki talaga nun. Ganda na story ninyo, guys. Thank you so much for that. All right, so now we move on to our next game for our In the Biz community.
Thank
So
you
guys,
so much.
may pamimigay ulit naman sina Zaniba and Ezo. Guys, ano yung prize natin para sa game segment natin na to? Ano pamimigay natin ngayon?
Yes! Ayan. So, syempre, nag-start kami sa cups din. Diba? Syempre, cups na
Cups
yung
din,
pamimigay
okay.
natin.
Oops,
Ayan.
oh, and,
Ito, this time,
Uy, ang ganda ng mga cups na yan, no? Oh.
Free lang to,
Opo. And, meron tayong, papamigay ko
May
naman.
mga games
Okay, sige. So, ready na kayo, guys? Ready nyo na yung mga daliri ninyo para makapagsagot kayo ng mabilis? Diba? Unahan tayo ulit dito for this game entitled Kapaw, Hats, and Caps Trivias. Alright, guys. So, are you ready? Kung ready kayo, send in a Carlito hug. Alright, is everyone ready? Okay. Ang ganda. Let's check out the comments right here. Sabi ni Hebrews, si Hebrews Highland, sabi, amazing. God is so good. That is so true. Sabi ni Rebecca, congratulations po sa business. May God bless you more. Amen to that. Alright, sige, let's see more. Okay, ready na daw si Adi Hearns. Welcome to the show. Si Rebecca, again, welcome to the show. Pedestrian and Gets and Adi are all ready. Okay, sige, let's see for our first trivia ng ating hats and caps for Kapaw. Let's see what's the first trivia right here. What is the Spanish word for hat? Alright, ano ang Spanish word for hat? Alright, this is for exactly what you're gonna get, a cap or a hat, di ba? Andito, sige, let's see the answers here. Rebecca, 1004 says sombrero. Adi Hearn says sombrero. Alright, sige, wala na ba ibang answers? Wala pa ibang gusto ng very stylish, napakaganda na mga caps from Zaniva and Ezo. Alright, Nord says sombrero. Alright, Mami has just joined. Thank you so much for joining. Also, Nord says kalo. Alright, sige, so let's see. What is the answer for this one? We're giving away caps, so what's the answer? Sombrero! All right, so the answer is sombrero, and the first na nakasagot dito is Rebecca, 1004. Congratulations! You'll be getting a cap from Ezo and Zaniva. All right, let's see our next trivia for caps and hats. All right, let's see.
Wow.
Well, congrats.
Which sort of hat is associated with Che Guevara? Oh my gosh. Hindi ko to alam. Okay guys, magkakaalaman tayo ng mga age natin dito. Which sort of hat is associated with Che Guevara? All right, let's see. Rebecca says beanie. Hindi ko rin alam eh. What other answers, guys? Wag na mahiya. Okay lang naman. Wala namang judgment sa age natin dito. Tayo lang naman. Adi Hearn says fedora. Hebrews Highland says newsboy cap. Get says beret. Alright. Ano pa? Wala na ba ibang sagot dyan? Wala pa ba mga very young ang audience kasi natin siguro dito. Kaya nagkakahiyaan. Gets also says bonnet. Tingnan natin. Alright, let's reveal the answer for this second trivia. It's beret. Alright. Sige, so the answer is beret. Okay, so tingnan na lang natin. Sino ba yung una nagsabi ng beret? It's Gets. Congratulations, Gets. Namamakay ng prizes si Gets tonight. Congratulations. Alright, Gets na Gets yan talaga yung mga trivia natin tonight. Alright, and now, for a third question, or third trivia for hats and caps for Kapaw. Alright, let's see. A classic chef's hat has how many folds? Alright, tingnan natin how a classic chef's hat has how many folds. O yung mga mahilig magluto dyan. Haruaki says 100. Alright, anybody else? Binilang mo ba talaga yon, Haruaki? Pedestrian says 10. Life of Cheese says 2. Adi Hearn says 100. Get says 2. North says 3. Talaga. Binibilang niyo ba yun, guys? Mayroon din ba kayong ganun? Anong matawag sa hat ng chef? Diba? I think it's called the toque. Tama ba? Toque ang tawag sa hat ng mga chef, di ba? Pero ang tanong natin dito is not what it's called, but ilan yung fold ng chef's hat. Si Nor says 3. Si Rebecca says 15. All right, let's reveal the answer. The answer is 100! Oh, congratulations! Sino yung una sumagot ng 100?
Ang dami pa
It's
dami.
Ano Aki 19. Congratulations! Alright, sige. So that concludes our game for Kapow Hats and Caps Trivia. So congratulations to our winners na from Zaniva and Ezo. Congratulations, guys. All right, so as we, I don't know, let's go now. We actually want to welcome back, as we mentioned earlier, now we'll be hearing again from Chi and Nats from Hebrews Highland Coffee. So let's welcome them back. Hi, Chi, hi, Nats. Hey, welcome back. All right. So the reason why we're bringing these two power duos back here is because we will be having another game engagement. All right. So ang susunod na game naman natin ngayon is called The Who Chubby Bunny Challenge. All right, so we will flash questions and viewers you will guess who is who. All right, so we're seeing power duos dito, 'di ba? So sino sa tingin nyo yung i-describe namin? All right? So we'll be starting with Hebrews Highland duo and then we'll be going with the XGE duo. All right? So starting with okay, sorry. So, let's assign pala yung mga ano natin dyan, how to vote, right? So, if you think it's Chi sa Hebrews Highland Coffee duo tayo, ha? So, sabay na pala, or sorry pala, sabay pala, okay. Ganito lang. If you think it's the men of the duos, then send us a Carlito clap. If you think it's the ladies from the duos, then send in a Carlito hug. All right? So, ganyan tayo mag-voting, guys, kung sino sa tingin ninyo yung i-describe namin. So again, pag lalaki, Carlito clap. Pag yung babae, Carlito hug. Alright, sige. So, sabay na yan for both Hebrews and XGE. Alright, so let's see the first one. Yung first question natin, The Who. Sino ang mas kuripot? Sino sa tingin ninyong mas kuripot? Si Sir Chi? Or si Ezo? Or si Sir Nats pala. Si Sir Nats at si Ezo or si Zaniva at si Chi. Sino sa tingin niyo? So send in a Carlito clap for the men and send in a Carlito hug for the ladies. All right. So let's see the votes coming in. Si Get sent in a Carlito hug twice. So talagang naniniwala siya na yung mga ladies natin ang talagang kuripot. All right. All right. Are there any other votes? Let's see the other votes. Tingin niyo ba? Carlito, again, it's a Carlito clap for the men, Carlito hug for the women. Sino ang tingin niyo ang mas kuripot sa ating mga power duo dito? All right. So let's see. All right. Guys, sino sa tingin niyo? Okay, let's see. Let's see the answer. Oh, wait, medyo nawala lang for a bit sina Zaniva. But let's ask muna si our Highlands couple, our Hebrews couple. All right, sino ang mas kuripot? Sir or si Ma?
Hindi naman masyadong kuripot. Ako.
Okay.
Why spending lang?
Why spending? Actually, that's true. I mean, kuripot doesn't mean na masyadong kapit na kapit sa pera. But it's actually like being responsible, being more financially responsible. Kasi ayaw naman natin ng basta-basta na lang nawawala yung pera, basta-basta na lang ginagastos, di ba? So we have to be responsible stewards of our resources, di ba? And yan ang talagang magandang meaning ng ating, ng pagiging kuripot. How about sa XGE duo? All right. So, is it Ezo or Zaniva? All right, tingnan natin. Guys, may mga bumoto ba? May iba pa bang bumoto? Wala na bumoto. Mga nahihiya na bumoto. Pero Ezo, Zaniva, sino ang mas kuripot?
Siya. Ayan.
Alright. Sige. So,
Hindi ako naniniwala sa babae daw ay kuripot. Ayan. Actually, hindi naman siya kuripot.
Wise lang talaga. Magkaiba dito.
Sa pagbabudget.
Tama. Wise budgeting. Yan ang kailangan talaga for any business. So, dahil sabi natin na Chubby Bunny Challenge ito, no? So yung totoong mas kuripot ay subuan na natin ng marshmallow para maging chubby bunny. Alright, so that's again for Hebrews Highland Coffee. That's Chi.
Pa.
And sa XGE, that's Ezo. Alright. Sige, next one. Our next question. Sino? The who? Sino ang mas techie? Alright, again guys, kung tingin nyo it's the guys, send in a Carlito clap. If you think it's the girls, send in a Carlito hug. Alright, for men, clap. For women, hug. Alright, gets voted Carlito clap. Okay, she's voting for the men. Alright, anybody else? Any other guesses, guys? Tingin nyo. Send in a Carlito clap for the men and a Carlito hug for the women. Sino sa tingin ninyo ang mas techie sa ating mga power duo dito from Hebrews Highland Coffee and from XGE? Alright, let's see. Let's reveal. Let's start naman with sina Zaniva. Sino ang mas techie sa inyong dalawang kapatid? Oo.
Ako.
Siya po.
Oh,
Ako. Actually, yung tipong mag-aayos pa nga ng internet, ako. Ayan.
Nagpapaturo lang po.
Alright.
Ayan.
Okay. So ang mas techie is si Zaniva. Alright. How about sa ating Hebrews couple? Ang ating mga Israelita. Sino ang mas techie?
Well, siya rin na nag-aayos ng internet.
Uso din siguro sa inyo, asan yung mga tablets ninyong mga Hebrews kayo? Asan yung mga tablets natin dyan? Galing pa kay Moses. Alright, so si Chi ang mas techie. So, tama yung mga nag-vote ng hug, panalo yun. It's the ladies. Ang ating mga mas techie sa dalawang power duos na to. So, ayan. So, tayo ulit ng marshmallow for our chubby bunny. Alright, so ulit kay Chi. And this time kay kay Zaniva. Alright, and for our last question, sino ang
Parang kulang pa.
nauunang magising? Alright, sino ang unang nagigising sa ating mga power duo? Alright, so again, for the men, if you guys are voting for the men, send in a Carlito clap. If you're voting for the women, send in a Carlito hug. Sino sa tingin nyo ang unang nagigising? Alright. We saw a vote from Gets at sa Carlito hug. Okay, so nauuna daw yung mga babae nagigising. Alright. Ano pa? Any other votes there, guys? Sino sa tingin nyo mas unang nagigising? Si Mister or si Mrs., si Kuya o si Ate? Sino ang nauunang magising? Alright. Life of Chi voted hug. Okay, so you're seeing more votes for the ladies. Come on, guys, just keep on sending those gifts kasi we're on the road to 10,000 diamonds. Nasa 5.5K tayo, guys. Come on, let's keep on sending. I-push natin yan. Anniversary ng Plus Network ngayon. Alright, so guys, let's see. So let's reveal na. Let's start again with the Hebrews couple. Alright, sino ang unang nagigising sa inyong dalawa?
Sir Raf, Hebrews. So, dapat sa'yo mo na magising kasi gagawin niya ako ng kape.
Tama. Responsibility. Hebrews talaga. So, kailangan kayo mabangon. Alright, how about sa XGE siblings? Alright, sino unang nagigising? Si Ezo or si Zaniva? Sino?
Siya. Kasi may anak siya. Kaya siya yung
Yun ang pampagising. Lanong kailangan ng kape. Dahil may gano'n, di ba? Kailangan nyo bigyan pala sila ng kape. Nats, bigyan nyo daw sila ng kape kasi kailangan nila may bata. Kailangan gumising kayo Ezo in the morning. Alright, so as we wrap this up, guys, this has been a fun episode while we're celebrating, di ba, itong first anniversary of Plus Network. Guys, what would be your tips or your message for our audience, especially now when we're talking about we're looking at our small and medium enterprises, ating mga SMEs ang talagang bayani in terms of business ngayon?
To start, siguro what we can advise to you is initially, alamin mo kung ano yung passion mo. Because it would work from there. Then of course, every day you have to pray and for guidance para malaman mo rin kung ano yung nagagawa sa'yo ni God. And so from there, alam mo na kung ano yung passion mo, i-equip mo yung sarili mo into getting to learn much more about it para mas ma-share mo at may delight mo sila. But of course, since we are steward of what God has given to us, we must also be a blessing to them. We delight them by our products, but then if you have the chance to spread the word, like in Matthew 28, you have to, um, you have to engage yourself intentionally so that mas mabilis mo magagampanan yung kailangan mong gawin sa work at saka sa business na binless sa'yo ni God.
Amen to that. All right, let's hear from yung magkapatid natin, sina Zaniva and Ezo. Ano yung tip ninyo sa mga kapwa nating mga nagsisimula ng negosyo ngayon? What will be your advice, especially those that want to start mga online
Bali,
selling
po,
din natin?
sa akin po, siguro,
Yeah.
opo. Bali, first po, syempre, i-ask nila sa Lord, i-ask nila sa Lord yung business na kung ano yung gusto nilang simulan. Kasi meron talagang ganun na parang kahit anong business mo, pag hindi mo talaga inas sa Lord yan, at walang sagot ang Lord, talagang minsan hindi nagbo-boom hindi talaga nagiging hindi siya nagwo-work. Kaya, ayun, unang-una, kausapin mo Lord. And then, pangalawa, kailangan, syempre, masaya ka sa ginagawa mo. Kumbaga, hilig mo talaga yun. Para, marami kasi mga business na parang, dahil hindi naman nila yun, hindi sila masaya, kagad. So, mabilis silang sumuko sa business nila. Kasi, magkaroon lang ng konting challenge, magkaroon lang ng konting problema, suko kagad kasi hindi nga sila masaya sa ginagawa nila. Dapat naging happy kapag nagbebenta. Gaya namin, as online seller, kailangan buhay na buhay kami. Kailangan masaya kami pag nagla-live, parang nakikipagkwentuhan lang sa mga nanonood sa amin na parang kaharap namin sila lahat. Ganon.
Oo, ganda.
So to add lang
Talaga
din,
parang
Sir
connected.
Raf, siguro para sa akin, start small and dream big.
Oh, yes. Oo, tama.
Yes, never
Alright.
parang wag kang matakot na magsimula sa maliit. Kasi lahat naman is nag-uumpisa sa maliit eh.
Yes.
But then, at the end of the day, dapat malaking pangarap mo. Like us, nag-umpisa lang kami sa 10. And now, may
Thousands.
sarili na kaming shop, thousands. Hindi na lang cups yung binibenta namin. So, to God be the glory to. So,
Amen to that. And narinig ko nga yung motor, magde-deliver ng mga cups ninyo, papunta na sa mga customers. Ang galing. Kahit ganitong oras. Cups are also essential. So, and of course, I'd love to add to that also, very important as we're all starting, we support each other, di ba? We support local, we support fellow businesses, di ba? Fellow small and medium businesses.
Correct.
So with that, I believe may gusto yata ibigay si Chi and Nats.
Oh yes, oo. Syempre, we have also to, kumbaga to share kung ano yung masarap na produkto na meron ang Hebrew Silent Coffee. That is why we would like our sa business partner dito na si Ezo and si Zaneva to also try our coffee para sa inyo to.
Ayan, nagabot na ng coffee. At dumadaloy na ba yan? Let's see.
The power of
Thank you po.
Ayun yata yung motor. Asa na?
Maraming salamat
Ayun
po.
Ang bilis o. Ang bilis, nandun na sa kanila agad. That's what I call instant commerce. That's what I call
Instant read.
ang power of online selling, guys. Instant commerce.
Amoy
Yeah.
pa lang po nakakakinig.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
syempre, Miss Chi and Sir Nat. Ayan. Meron din kaming ibibigay sa inyo para kompleto ang Instagram post ninyo. Pamporma. Ito. Ayan, sige, tig-isa tayo ibibigay.
Ito po.
Ayan.
Ayan. Okay.
Ayun no.
Ayan, ipapasa na. Dumadaan na sa screen.
Thank you. At
Uy.
dahil
Going to
dyan,
online. Nandun na nga. O, di ba? Again, instant commerce yan, guys. Yan talaga ang power of online selling. Instant commerce yan, guys. Tawid agad through the screen. San ka pa?
Ang bango.
Mabilis.
Alright. Sabi ni Gets dito, pakipasahan din po ako.
Yeah.
Sabi ni Life of Chi dito din, please. Sabi ni Life of Chi, bilis ha. Galing. Sabi ni Rebecca, galing. Sabi ni Gets, bilis din. Sabi ni Life of Chi. O, diba yan talaga ang instant commerce. Yan ang bizcrafting online selling. Instant.
Thank you.
Diba? Ang bilis. Saan ka ba? Mas mabilis pa sa internet nung instant
5G.
talaga. So, thank you so much guys for this amazing kwentuhan natin for In The Biz. Ang ganda ng mga bizcarte stories ninyo from Hebrews Island Coffees, Nats and Chi. Thank you so much for your story.
Thank you.
Very
Thank you.
inspiring.
Thank
I mean,
you.
with every cup of coffee comes with the word of God. That's so amazing. I mean, it's a great way to start each day talaga. And Ezo and Zaniva, thank you so much. Ang ganda ng story. Very inspiring na yung started from that need dahil nawalan ng
Thank
job
you.
pero
Thank you
hindi
po.
kayo
Thank you.
sumuko. Starting with a small group, small audience pero pinalaki nyo up to 700 even thousands now. Thank you so much again for that very inspiring story with those caps. And I believe, with those caps on your head, you can always also keep God in your mind.
Thank
always,
you.
diba? That's
Yes.
really what it's all about. And with all our businesses, we always seek to
Yes.
honor God with
Yes.
everything that we do. Diba? Thank you so much, guys, again for joining us.
Thank you.
Chi and Nats, Ezo and Zaniva, thank you so much for joining us for this episode 4 of
Yes.
In The Biz here on Plus Network.
Thank you
So,
po.
guys,
Yep, salamat.
thank you
Keep
so
safe.
much.
Keep safe, everyone.
Thank you. So
God
guys,
bless.
again, that's another episode of In The Biz where we talk about yung mga ating bizcarte stories of
God
successful
bless.
business
Thank you.
owners and business leaders like sina Natsa and Chi and Ezo and Zaniva, diba? So always catch us every night 8 p.m. and we have different shows every night from Mondays to Saturdays on the Plus Network channel here on Kumu. On Mondays, we have Pick a Side hosted by Chuck Araneta and El Banal for your sports talks. And of course, on Tuesdays, like tonight, every 8 p.m., we have In The Biz hosted by yours truly, where we talk about mga bizcarte stories of our successful business owners and business leaders. On Wednesdays, we have Plus Talks para sa Pinoy hosted by MJ Lastimosa for your reality talks and inspirational talks. And Thursdays, we have Seaworthy hosted by Coach JC and Brother Randel, yung mga educational and motivational, very inspiring stories as well. Every Thursday yan, 8 p.m. And of course, yung show ng ating friend, si Janina Vela, every Fridays, Adult Things, all about everything about adult things, right? That's personal development every Fridays, 8 p.m. And we cap that off every Saturday with All Out hosted by Carla Piscoso so that we can be fit at the end of the week. So we have everything for you on Plus Network from Mondays through Saturdays. And of course, again, here I am with In The Biz. I'm Raf Layosa, founder and CEO of Retail Gate Technologies and your host for In The Biz here on Plus Network on Kumu. So follow me on Kumu at Rafael Layosa and catch us again next week. Every Tuesday tayo, 8 p.m. for In The Biz. Together, let's be more and be plus on Kumu. See you then.